Hi, baby. You good girl? Yeah? You's a good girl. You sleepy, huh? Malika. Hi. Hi. And my baby. She's 15 weeks old. Today is Tuesday. She was at the vet yesterday. She weighed in at 4.1 pounds. She's still a bitty little thing, but she's right on schedule as far as weight. She'll be 4 months old in about 5 more days or so. Right, Malika? Malika, you's tuckered out, huh? Just went for a walk in the backyard. Malika. Malika. Okay, that's as much talking as she's going to do for now.